So this is my very last Stitch Fix for 2024. So if you want to see if there's any keepers, keep watching. Hey fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like to do clothing subscription unboxings, shopping hauls, try-ons, that kind of stuff. So if you like that kind of content, then I invite you to hit that subscribe button so that we can hang out for the long haul. Hit the notification bell too. That way you'll always know when I put out a new video. Let's see what else. If you like this video, please give me the like. Leave me a comment. All those things help me grow my channel, and I truly appreciate it when you do those things. If you use my links, anything like that. And I do appreciate you taking time out of your day to watch my video. So Stitch Fix, I'm sure you know what Stitch Fix is. I think everybody knows what Stitch Fix is. Subscription styling service. They send you 5 items. They do send you a preview, and frequently in the preview, they'll let you choose up to 8 items. If you don't choose that many items, your stylist will choose enough to make 5. Sorry about that. My dog Sophie is ever vigilant, making sure that nobody dares come to our door without them knowing that we have a ferocious dog. And she's not ferocious at all. If you've seen her, she weighs 25 pounds and she's just a love bug. They send you an envelope to send back anything you don't want to keep. This is the week between Christmas and New Year's, so I guess you could say this is my Christmas fix. And it looks like I've got 2 bundles. I've got this one, which looks like a pair of jeans and a blue sweater. That sweater looks interesting. And we've got some pink, bright pink, and some more of a mauve. And we've got some shoes. Let's take a peek. So I have a stylist. You get a stylist who chooses some of your items from the preview. What I've been told is your stylist picks half and the algorithm picks half of the items in your preview. I was told that a couple of years ago, so I don't know if it's still true. I have a stylist named Marsha Parker, and she is just the best. I was really frustrated with Stitch Fix a few years ago, and she just really turned things around. But she hasn't been my stylist the last couple times because she was on vacation, and it looked like a fabulous vacation. So she is my stylist this time. All right, let's see what they sent me. Oh, okay, I remember I chose these from the preview. I'd forgotten. They are a pair of these gray booties. And it's got like a leather looking cuff there and a zip up the side. Okay, I had told you in one of my previous videos that I had gotten a pair of maroon booties and they had gotten, like cut. I don't know what happened to them. I'd only worn them a couple times just doing errands, and they had this big gash in them. So I contacted Stitch Fix, and Stitch Fix did replace them. So thumbs up for Stitch Fix customer service. All right, let's get into this first bundle. Okay, on top, it looks like we have a sweater. It is a half zip, quarter zip, what are they calling it? It is the Love Ellie Belmira half zip sweater in navy. That is very pretty. It is a really nice shade of navy. And it's got like some different stitching. I don't know if you can see it there. Let's see what it's made of. It feels very soft. And it is 97 polyester, 3% spandex. Oh, and now I just put it up to my neck and it feels like it might be a little itchy. I hope not, because I think that is super cute and would love to add that to my wardrobe. And then we have the Cosmic Blue Love Heilyn High-Rise Bootcut Jean. And, oh, we got some stuff falling out. Okay, so we've got some jeans, And I have some Cosmic Blue Love. I don't know if I have jeans, but I have pants. So they are a bootcut and a dark wash. I have got so many pairs of jeans. And you know what? I was looking what to wear today, and I realized that I'm kind of tired of most of the jeans in my closet, because that's pretty much all I wear. All right, next bundle. Yeah, that's, you know, jeans, corduroys, joggers, and I wear them a lot, and I guess I'm getting tired of them. Okay, we have the 41 Hawthorn Genie tie detail sweater. I did choose this from my preview, and it's got this little tie detail and a split area at the cuff, and this pretty kind of mauve color, and it is ribbed and just like a regular, almost looks like a boat neck. So that's nice. And then in this neon pink arty style Melodi v-neck cardigan in fuchsia, and it's got some pretty stitching pattern there. Looks a little cropped. What is this made of? That might be a little too neon for me. Where is the, oh my goodness. The printing is so tiny. There is some polyester and acrylic, and I'm not sure what else. The printing is just incredibly tiny. So that might be a little too neon for me. I like a bright pink, but that might be too much. All right, let's read Marsha's note. Happy New Year! I see that you've selected some great pieces from the preview, and I've added a couple of pretty sweaters to round out the box. The pink 41 Hawthorn tie detail sweater pairs beautifully with the Indigo Cosmic Blue Love high-rise bootcut jeans for a polished casual look. The Taupe Market and Spruce lace-up hiker boots are a versatile and stylish choice and will be perfect with the jeans that you chose. I've also included the fuchsia RD style v-neck cardigan, which adds a bold pop of color to your wardrobe. Laid over a neutral top for a cozy layered ensemble, the navy Love Ellie sweater will be a perfect option for days out or spending time at home with jeans or joggers. I'd love to hear your thoughts at checkout and any feedback you have to help us tailor your next fix even better. Enjoy trying everything on. You know what? It says your fix was styled by Marsha. That does not sound like Marsha. Marsha, did you write that? I don't know. That does not sound like her. Okay, I'm not going to look at the prices. I like to say that to the end. So I will show you my outfit of the day, and then we will try these on. Okay, today I am wearing, oh, who makes these? I can't remember. I got them from Stitch Fix. They're a boyfriend cut jean. And yeah, I can't remember who makes them. The sweater I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle, and it is by Marine Layer. And you know, the funny thing about this sweater is it says to hang to dry. And I did that for, you know, probably the first couple of years that I owned it. And then I decided to throw it in the washer. And it is so much soft, not the washer, into the dryer. It is so much softer when I started machine drying it. It is just a joy to wear. I love the color. Yeah. And then the shoes I got from DSW. And yeah, I'm gonna go to grocery shopping today, and yeah, that's my plan for today. So, and making my video. All right, let's try some clothes on. Okay, this is the first outfit. I am wearing the Cosmic Blue Love bootcut jeans and the, I think this is Love Ellie sweater. And I like both of these. I did go ahead and put the jeans on with an actual pair of booties as opposed to the hiking boots. Because when I wear a hiking boot like that, I tend to wear something like a skinny jean that's gonna go into it, or a legging or something like that. And with these, I would wear probably boots. These are Steve Madden boots that I got years ago. And I think the jeans are a good length. They come up to a good height. They're not super high, but they do come up right to the top of my belly button. The sweater is nice and soft. It is navy, but it is almost like a teal navy. So this is the look. And let's talk about each piece individually. So this is a pretty relaxed, casual sweater. I feel like they're calling it navy, but I feel like it's almost a teal navy, which I don't think is coming across. It's got the half zip, and if I wanted, I could zip it all the way up like that, which I would not do. That's probably how I would do it. Scrunch up the sleeves. It's kind of a loose fit. It's got that kind of cable pattern on the sides. It's pretty lightweight. It's not a real heavy sweater, but being polyester, it's probably going to be pretty warm. So it's just a nice, cozy sweater. I don't think it's tremendous quality, but we'll see how much it costs. If it's not too expensive, I will probably keep this because I like the color, I like the style, and it's comfortable. All right, let's talk about the jeans. So they are a dark wash. They, as I said, are the Bootcut. I think they make my booty look fine. And yeah, they're just a nice pair of dark wash Bootcut jeans. I have some kick flare jeans, but I might have some Bootcut black jeans, but I don't think I have any Bootcut blue jeans. So I think I might keep these as well. All of it's going to depend on the prices. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, I put my jeans back on, and this pink, I would call this almost a mauve sweater, and it's got this tie detail and then the split, and it's ribbed. It does show my lumps and bumps. It's pretty color. I like the neckline. This is from the back. This would drive me crazy. It kind of just hangs there. I don't know if you're not supposed to fold it up because there's a seam. I don't like that. I like, if the tie had been further down, but this big split I just don't think, like when I'm doing stuff, I don't think that looks good. I don't think that's a good look. Seems like one of those sweaters where they were like, oh, let's make this cute detail, and didn't really try it out to see what it would be like in real life. So love the color, love the rib knit, like the little tie, but do not like the split. So this is going to be a no. All right, last things we have are that neon pink sweater and the other boots. I'll be right back. Another one of those times when I thought I was filming and I wasn't. So this is the sweater and the boots. Put the boots on with my jeans, and we will talk about them when I do a close-up. And then we've got the sweater. So let's talk about the sweater. So it is this very bright pink. It is a bit cropped. If I lift up like that, you're going to see my belly. And I think it's kind of funny that we do that in these videos. We're like, oh, you can see my belly when I reach up, when in reality, how often are we reaching up like that throughout the day? But I definitely would have to be cognizant of that if I was doing something like that out in public. At home, who cares? It has got this very cute pattern of the stitching that I love. I think that is really cute. Feels okay. I can definitely feel the acrylic in it. It's a little bit of a boxy fit, but I think it's okay. I think it's cute, except for the color. The color is just not a shade of pink that I think I would reach for that often because it's so bright. Yeah, I mean, I love all kinds of shades of pink, and this is fine. I just don't know that I want it in my wardrobe. So that's the back. Good pick, just this shade is not for me. All right, let's take a close-up of the boots. So I think the boots are cute. They are stiff. This is from the back. They squeak when I walk. And my experience has been that is not something that goes away. So don't know that I absolutely love the color either. but they're cute. All right, let's do prices and a recap. So that was a good box. My hair is a little, I don't know. I'm using some new styling products on it, and I'm trying to decide if I like them or not. Yeah, that was a good box. So Love Ellie, the Belmira half zip sweater is $49, and I thought this was really cute. I really like the color. It's got kind of do they call that like a marled, where it's kind of like the blue and black? Is that called marled? So I think 49, like I said, it's not super high quality, but I think 49 is a reasonable price for it. Then we've got the Market and Spruce Whitley lace-up hiker boot in taupe. These must be on sale because they are $38.99, but they squeak like crazy, and that would drive me nuts. It would make me very self-conscious. So those are going back. The Cosmic Blue Love Heilyn high-rise bootcut jean in Indigo is $88. And I like those. They fit well. I like the wash. So I'm thinking about keeping those. And then the RD style Melodi V-neck cardigan is in Fuchsia is $59. And I'm just not feeling this shade of pink. I feel like I need to put on sunglasses to look at that. Now this shade of pink I love. This is the 41 Hawthorn Genie tie detail sweater. And I liked everything about it except for how big that slit was and how it just kind of hung off my arm. This is $49 if I didn't say that. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $283.99. If you buy all 5 items from Stitch Fix, they do give you a 25% discount, which would take off $71, bringing it down to $212.99. I do not pay the $20 styling fee because my Style Pass was renewed back in September. And so, yeah, I don't pay a styling fee. So I get these boxes. I get as many as I want in a year for that $49. And that $49 got applied to the first $49 that I purchased. I don't think they're offering that to new clients anymore, though. So I probably should stop mentioning it. Yeah, so the things that I'm thinking about keeping are the jeans. Just trying, I just have so many jeans. But like I said, when I looked at my closet today, I was like, I'm tired of all these jeans. And then the sweater. I really like the sweater. The sweater, I think, is probably for sure. Probably for sure. So, as I said, this is the week between Christmas and New Year's. How have your holidays been? We had an exceptional Christmas. It was just so wonderful. All 3 of my children were here, my son-in-law and my younger son's girlfriend. And yeah, it was great. Some of us weren't feeling great, but it was a great Christmas, and I'm really grateful to have experienced that. I hope that your holidays were good. I hope you have a good New Year. I wanted to share some news, I guess. I have decided to start an Etsy business making baby quilts. Now, if you watched my channel the last few times, then you know that I'm going to be a grandma next year, and I used to quilt all the time, and then I stopped doing it for many, many years, and I was talking to my daughter and said I would love to start an Etsy business because I'd been retired but restless, and she said you should make baby quilts. So I have made one full quilt that I'm actually keeping for my grandson, and then another quilt top, and I am enjoying it. So I'm going to try to make a go of it. I'll let you know when I launch. Right now I'm just trying to create enough product to be able to launch. So, and it's going to be called, well, actually I'm not going to tell you until I snag that name. Okay, until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it and have a very happy New Year.